Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have been doing a lot of odds and ends type jobs. I installed my bathroom door and put the mirror on the door. I also recaulked the entire bathroom. I know you guys are sick of seeing videos with me and caulk, so I didn't include that one for you, but I had to do all the drains in there and everything, so that's all done. The cushions are all done, as you can see behind me. Dinette table's all done, so I'm going to be installing that in a minute so you guys can see that. And yeah, I also put my bed in, so this place is starting to actually look like a home. But alright, I'll show you what my dinette table looks like in here. Alright guys, one step closer to having this thing all done. I hope you join me next time, and thanks for tuning in for this video. See you later guys. Alright, I am currently stocking the camper with all kinds of goodies. So that is what I will be doing for the rest of tonight, because tomorrow we leave. Super excited. I'm trying to attach another one of my little suction caddies here, and you have to like clean the wall and the suction cup with alcohol, and I have this like minty 70% isopropyl alcohol, and it's very hot in here, and this is an enclosed space, and I'm dying of mint fumes, and this freaking suction cup isn't working. Alright, I'm done venting, but let's see if I can get this thing to go. No, sorry. I might have to put you down for this. Alright, watch me struggle from that angle instead. There we go. Oh yeah. There we go. I didn't clean the wall for this one, this top one, but it's working pretty well. I don't know if you can see my sweat right now, but it's intense. Alright, I feel like I have to tell you guys this because it makes me happy, but this is my teapot. And it's the most adorable thing ever. And it's so tiny that it fits in this drawer. Just so you guys know. That is all. Alright, so here's another really cool thing. I was really trying to debate on like where I wanted to put my gas cans, because I didn't want to put them in the truck obviously, and I didn't really want my camper smelling like gas either, and then I found the perfect solution. I have two hatches that go to the bed of my truck, and they just happen to be the exact perfect size to fit my two 2.5 gallon jugs that I'm going to use for gas, which is these guys right here. These no spill jugs, and they actually work really well. I tested one of them with water and then let it dry absolutely completely, and now I will show you how perfectly they fit in here. I have to finagle them to get them like in the proper position like that I want to drive around in, but they fit through the door perfectly, and you'll see that in a sec. So this side's a little bit more tight than the other side. And I even have room to do something else over here, which I'm not sure what I'm going to put over there, but there's that. And I'm not going to fill those up just yet. I'm going to wait until I set up for one of my camping trips. And this is the other side. You see how wet it is in here because we had a crazy storm. Perfectly dry. The camper keeps the bed of the truck perfectly dry. Alright, and this one fits in there like that. And there's actually, like, you can't see because it's too dark, but there's way more room up front that I'm gonna find something to put in there. Alright. Just thought you guys should see how awesome those two fit in there, and it's going to give me 5 extra gallons of gas for my generator or in case I need gas for my truck or anything. So, alright, on to the next thing. Hey guys, welcome back to Uncharted Destiny. Today is a very big day because it is the day of our maiden voyage. We are heading to New York for our first stop to visit family and friends and kind of have a little bit of a send-off up there. I have a very special visitor with me today, and that is my mother over here. And she's actually along for the ride because she's a master mechanic. I'm just kidding. She's just here for moral support. So she's going to join me for the trip up to New York, and then she's going to ditch me. So it should be a fun trip. I have to stop first and fill up my airbags in the pouring rain. So for the next video, I might look a little bit like a drowned rat, but it should be a good time. So stay tuned. Hey guys. So trip is going okay so far. Had a couple of issues. My water jug fell over and leaked water all over the place. I cleaned it up. I what's the word I'm looking for? Christened my bath towel in a really ugly way. So that happened. Apparently one of my windows is leaking a little bit, so I'll have to fix that. And I'm at my second home right now. Gas station. It's a very expensive second home, but it's worth it to travel. So first I'm filling up, and then I'm gonna go in the camper and check and see what's fallen over and how everything looks. So let's go do that. Somehow my bathroom light is on. Probably turned it on with my butt. That happens a lot. Alright, let's see. So I have my generator and my chainsaw in here right now. They haven't moved. This was my test of my fruit basket that I made. My apples are right where I left them, as are my bananas, so that's looking good. I also put my tailgate in here because I'm going to be putting that into storage. So this is the window that is leaking, and the towel seems to be catching everything, so that's good. Alright, and let's see. Oh yeah, my flowers fell over. No biggie, I kind of knew this was going to happen. Once I get some more time, I'll show you the interesting way I weighted the vase so that it stays up. It's kind of a dual storage and flower holding solution. So that'll be fun to show you guys here. Why don't I put this lantern instead of this candle next to it so it stops falling over? That'd be smart. There we go. All right, good. The rest of that should be fine. These should stay up a little bit better this time. Jewelry tree, sort of where I left it. Sort of. Oh no, I'm losing jewelry. Fish out the rest of that stuff later. All right. Everything else looks to be where I left it. So that's good. Dishes, mostly where I left them. Oh, I see one fatality. This pan is not where I left it. That's okay, no big deal. The knives are right where I left them. All right, that's good. Let's see. All right, everything else looks pretty good. Let's see if the shower hooks stayed where they belong. Ooh, we lost the shower hook. Somewhere. Oh, there it is, down there. And some conditioner bottles fell over. All right, overall, not too shabby. All right, well, I'm gonna get back to driving. Hopefully it is very uneventful, but I'll talk to you guys later. Welcome back to Uncharted Destiny. Today I am taking the back seats out of my truck and my master mechanic is underneath doing some work down there. Let me introduce you. This is Fitz, my master mechanic, and he is the person that saved my life back in Pennsylvania by bringing me a new alternator. Fitz, you want to say hi real quick?
Hello.
Thank you so much for all of the work that you're doing.
Well, I don't know about that master mechanic, but...
He's a master mechanic. He's just too modest to admit it. Alright, well, we're going to get back to work, but that's what's on the agenda for today, and then we're probably going to work on dewinterizing the RV in a little bit. So, stay tuned.